Hey everyone, welcome back. Already have a Flex account and need to log back in, maybe after reinstalling or a new phone? Here's exactly how to log in step by step, takes about 20 seconds. Open the Flex app on your iPhone. On the welcome screen, tap Login. Or get started, enter the phone number associated with your Flex account and then tap Continue. Flex will send a one-time verification code by text to that number. Check your messages, find the code from Flex and enter it on the verification screen. Once the code is accepted, you're taken directly into your Flex's home screen, where you'll see your current rent cycle status, upcoming payment dates, and any active service issue. No password is required. Flex uses phone verification for every login. If your phone number has changed since you signed up, tap Having Trouble. Then log in with email. On the login screen, instead, enter your original registered phone number, then your linked email address, and Flex will send a recovery link to your email that gets you back in without needing the old number. So all you've got to do is open Flex, enter your phone number, enter the verification code you're in. If your number changed, use the email recovery option. Subscribe for more Flex guides.